Shopify dropshipping is a great way to make money online, but you have to take high risk to earn money via Shopify dropshipping. So in this video, I will show you everything you must need to know before you start a Shopify dropshipping store. So I will go through one by one and I will give some solution to those issues. As you already know, you have to get monthly subscription to host your website on Shopify platform. So basic monthly subscription is $29 per month. At first they give 14-day free trial, but after 14 days you have to pay this amount even you don't make any sales on your Shopify store. So cost is the main thing when you start a Shopify store. So there has a solution to avoid those costs. That is, at first start dropshipping on platform like eBay, Bonanza or Amazon, or if you sell handcraft or art item, you can join with platform like Etsy, because those platforms charge only a small amount to list your item and publish your store. So you will able to reduce lot of cost, but there has cons too. At first you can save lot of money when you build your store, and when you see what item work and what item not work, you can start Shopify store and promote those items. Second most common issue is, if you build the Shopify store, no one will identify your store and no one will come to your store because your store is new, it not rank on any search engine. So you have to grab audience or customers to your website. To do that, you have to run Facebook ads, Google ads or Instagram influencer, or you have to do other kind of promotion. Those promotions are not for free. You have to spend dollars to promote your dropshipping store and product. So there has solution. That is, if you start dropshipping on platform like Amazon, Bonanza, Etsy, they have already built-in customer base on their website. So they will organically show your product to those customer base, and if they like your product, they will buy. In that way, you don't need to spend lot of money on promotion, but you can promote products on that platform, or you can build your brand via social media. That means you can start free social media account like Facebook page, groups or Instagram page. Then you can promote your product on those places. So it will cost nothing to start Instagram page or Facebook group. When audience build around those social media pages, you can promote your product without spend lot of dollars to advertising, but it take time. That is the issue. I am not saying don't start Shopify dropshipping and start dropshipping like eBay or Amazon. I am just saying at first don't start Shopify store, because you have to be familiar with dropshipping. If you don't have any idea about dropshipping or marketing, you will lose all your money. When you don't see any sales or any profit, you will give up and you only waste your money and time. That's why I am saying start dropshipping on already built-in platforms. Next most common issue is, if you make sales or if you get sales from a customer, you have to purchase that product from AliExpress or Chinese manufacturer or Chinese supplier, because lot of people use AliExpress to do dropshipping. After you buy that product, you have to send your customer's details to that seller and he will manage the shipping process. But the issue is, if customer want to get a refund or he want to return the item, that will be a big issue. Also, if customer complain about item not delivered, that will be another big issue, and those all issue will affect your profit margin. So if you dropship product, first you have to contact the manufacturer or contact the Chinese supplier. After that, you have to build partnership. That means you have to find reliable and responsible suppliers. Then if your customer asks to refund or return, you can talk about that with your supplier and give solution solution to that issue. Also, when you select a product, always select product that have a working tracking number. Lot of tracking number only work in China, so you will not able to track your item location after it departs on China. So that is a huge issue. Usually it takes 30 to 45 days to deliver that item to your customer's location or customer address. So most of time customer will ask about the tracking and ask about the item location. In that time you have to give working tracking details to track that item. So when you give tracking, customer can track the product location and it will save your time and your customer will trust about your store. But if the item don't track, customer will complain about that and he will ask refund. So if you select a dropshipping product, always give tracking to that item. Next thing is profit margin. Even you make lot of sales, you will not get a profit. That is, your profit margin calculation is wrong. If you run Shopify store and promote the product, it will cost lot of dollars. You have to get 60 to 70 profit margin from the product. Other than that, you will lose your money. Also, if you run dropshipping on platform like eBay, Bonanza or Etsy, you have to get 35 to 40% profit margin. In that way you will able to make profit. But if you calculate your profit margin wrongly, you will never get rich from dropshipping. Next common issue is at the first you will not make lot of money, you will not able to make sales. So that is the risk you have to take when you do dropshipping. At first you have to make lot of mistake and do different kind of testing and find the best ways to promote dropshipping product. Always you have to think outside the box and analyze your competitors. Not only that, you have to select quality and unique item and promote that item on other social media. When you promote that item, you have to be creative about the promotion ad. You can basically analyze other competitors and get the ad idea. At first you will not make any profit. You will have to spend more than you sell. So if you didn't make sales or didn't make profit, don't stop, keep going. If you want to success, you have to do those mistakes and keep going. That's why I suggest you start dropshipping on eBay, Etsy or Amazon before start it on Shopify. So last point is, don't buy scam dropshipping courses or useless tools to build your Shopify store, because it will not worth your money or time. Those courses will only cost. There is lot of useless and scam courses, so you will not able to get any information from those courses. So there has a no magic. You have to work hard and you have to find different ways to sell your product. So don't try to find easy or quick money via dropshipping. It will take time and hard work to build your store. So I hope you get valuable information in this video. I will see you in next time. Bye bye.